Let's learn how to share proposals on Zoho Books in just a few quick steps. Starts by logging into your account, Zoho Books dashboard. On the left menu, click on Sales and then select Estimates or Proposals depending on your plan. Click plus New or open an existing proposal you want to share. Fill in all the key details like client name, services, pricing, and any terms. Once you're ready, hit Save and Send in the top right corner. Now, choose your delivery method. Email the proposal directly to your client using a customized template, or copy the client portal link to send it manually, perfect for messaging apps. You can even attach supporting documents before sending. Once sent, you'll get notified when your client views the proposal, and they can approve it online with a single click. And that's it. You've just shared a professional proposal using Zoho Books. Easy, fast, and trackable. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.